Big up Crosses TV.
I'm mad things that are going over here across this TV.
Man, me despise you, me hate you.
You hear, Puss? She hate you.
Me hate you. Me no look on your dirty, nasty woman.
Me
Dirty woman where you eat and sleep and drink and piss and shit one place. Me no like you.
and her teeth, they drop out in her toilet bowl and she pick it up and put in her mouth. Pussy too nasty, man.
Nasty. Jankro, you.
She always lie. Anybody and you are watch she if she not like you, she jump on it. If you're not her friend, she play a hypocrite. Remember
Dirty woman.
when Dana when she did a
Nasty
friend back
woman.
down, when she did friend back down, and when diary bugger everybody attack, she said, "Oh, me choose Dawn, me choose Dawn."
I'm a better person than them. That's what she said. All because you know why she said that? Dan did send must be $200 or $300 go give her.
Yeah, that's the same time I was gonna
At
send
that,
the
at
money
that,
to DR.
at that, cause she can be led by a trade. You look at edge and crow. Don't you man. Don't you man. Leave me alone.
I
Me I go
know what
repeat it again. And if me a sin, God forgive me. But push me hate you. Yeah. Me I tell you that. And you keep a tell people about me threatening and me this and me that. Me not threaten you. Me promise you and me I tell you say me hate you. Oh.
right there, so right through.
And enough enemy you make. Enough enemy you make out here now. You never blood clot no enough enemy you make out here.
Everybody over post fake with her. She know that too.
Enough enemy you make out here. So me just hope and pray to God says not my hands it come upon you dirty piece of shit you. Everything you know talk about all this and all that and face drop down and this and that. Move on no blood clot done so no dunce like a war. Talk to me. Run my file. Run Joan Master's file. Dirty people. Run it. When you think I make up story this,
I
eh?
don't know
When you
what
think
pussy
I
will
make
love
up
you, your
story
young
this,
man. Your young boy will love you and want your good will. Why pussy jealous? Pussy, why you jealous? A Joan Master blood clot, good pussy, good all. A young man love her all. Love her. Want her. I beg puss. Joan Master get young boy for married to her. All you got dance or go fuck. Rub on the grub,
the people
scrub
them
your
say
car, get a
she
man.
stink. The people them say she stink. The woman say don't argue with her. Cause them say when she in a party, them don't know where she won't stop bend over. She think like how she smell like a pickle barrel.
Eh? Yeah.
And you, the time you take to smell your pussy, you da push your head and the next woman crotches. That you take fi smell your pussy and wash it out properly. You push your head and the next woman crotches.
Right true.
Okay,
You
no tada.
hear that post? Joan Master slap up your big dirty blood clot rusty pig.
Me and you man used to talk, you know, so me would talk to her about my daughter and I say, boy, me don't know where to do and whatever. You know, as a mother to her, me think say she a mother too. But she a mother, you know, she a mama.
Right.
Cause remember your picnic them have to pay for them part of the blood clot rent. My picnic them don't know how much of my rent.
Right
You
true.
understand? My children don't know how much is my rent. Dirty woman. Dirty woman where they park by internet. All when me I tell you say no come by internet with no cuss in with your man. You're the internet a cuss the man, and then you're there behind the scene. I beg me to put credit for them phone. Nasty you, man. When more you did want out of me? Eh? And me I work for my money. Why me for work for my money and give you? You say when you say me have young boy, me have to mind him, right? Me need my money for mind my young boy. Why me for give you my blood clot money for send go give your man?
You're supposed to mind him because you're married to
Of
him.
course you're supposed to. Me
Go suck your mother, Puss. Go
Me
suck your mother, big
entitled
old
to.
girl.
You understand? Me entitled to. Fuck do you? I
Dirty
mean,
Puss.
would never fi say even though a man younger than me, him not have the qualities when me desire expect in my life. Hey, where? Move!
Move, Puss. Move. Joanna get young cock in her hole. She's supposed to take care of her husband. You jealous pussy wall. Go suck your mother again 21 times. All fuck out, done out, mud up, sod up pussy.
My husband sit down around table and eating blood clot dinner.
Not on the floor.
From the time my husband realized that me can cook, me have to cook my husband dinner. You understand?
Not on the blood clot floor.
Oh, you there with man, and him have to watch your father. For all when your father all and mad, you still a fuck your father.
Vicky mother big you up in her comments there. She a cheer for you.
Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself.
Up top, right through, mama.
Them dirty people, yeah, mums, but me I tell you, them dirty people, you don't know me from nowhere. And them can't walk, them not supposed to, they know if you come in any argument or talk to me.
Puss not in your category, auntie.
None at all, none at all. Share Momo, none of them. And me I tell Momo, ask your friend about her mother, who her mother is. Can care where she got back and say her mother dead 99 blood clot time. My mother was there with me when I was having the contractions, yeah. But I gave birth to her.
I such pussy. Anybody and you not talk, she jump on the wagon for she got beard. She buy a flat screen TV over there. And she show the flat screen TV and hope turn to her and say, I mean, I show that mean hope and show and tell her, say, you should not frighten for big flat screen TV. So tap show the TV, all frightening nigga post. No used to know. You don't know something can buy a big blood clot TV and mash it up today.
Look here now. The people them upbringing fuck up them adulthood. You hear me? I tell you.
I told
Them
man.
upbringing fuck up them adulthood.
I told. A big woman like you now, frightened for your blood clot, flat screen TV. Me bumper clot.
Me have a 2-bedroom. 1, 2, 3. So TV in the 2-bedroom, TV in the living room, TV in the kitchen, and I don't fucking turn them on. For I don't have time for watch blood clot TV.
Auntie, even TV in my kitchen.
Them things there's nothing to me. Nothing. I was born a winner. What the fuck?
I know like
queen of the ghetto. Queen of the fucking ghetto.
No man, true what you say, oh, I'm telling you, I saw them steal. Cause remember, they not like one another, you know. So when she TV come now, she has put on her camera to make Hope see. So Hope say, I be a show up on, me no want to see TV, go suck your mother.
Well,
they can't buy
TV. All
TV.
that woman they on live with them and all these things, all them a do cause the man
a clown out
all them a do a clown out. It upset me so much from beginning. And
why
I tried to say something to
you're not a friend. You're not a friend.
Them a clown out the woman for content.
Me know. Make
But I don't
open.
know, maybe she use it at fair advantage too. I don't know.
Right. Well, you know,
I
auntie, me not care who.
don't know. You know what I mean? Cause
Yeah.
you know I not me not see her as a fool.
Auntie, let me tell you
You
something. Oh, they
know,
work
see
out
her as
here.
a fool, you
Open
know.
no idiot. Open no idiot.
You understand? Me
Open
not
it.
go and call
Open the
you. Me not go
open
and call
different.
when you call the people them name. Them turn it or them want turn it. I mean,
Me
really
not
not
care. Me I
contact with
call them
nobody.
name for them. Call
Oh,
my blood clot name. So me bad. Me bad. Bad. Me bad. Me I call my blood clot name.
I just see these two animal me I talk to. You understand? Oh, you fit me say the girl talk and she go on. Me think the girl gone about her business. Then next thing me see live sent to me. Diary and her they on live and she no stop call me name.
I saw
Eh?
she see her. But she had the ear full what hey, she ate there, you know.
Them lucky. I don't know them from nowhere.
They
I
yo me
come and
say
I out here and and
but
my
that's a
spirit
film,
end up
that's a
taking very
film business,
strongly.
auntie.
I'm a
That's a film,
mother first.
film
You
business.
understand me?
A film business.
She come out. Me hear say she come out. She say she have the big C word. She did she that. Are you there on social media behave like that? If you go through something like that, and the Lord saved you, you're a piece of shit. You know. Do you know that? You're a piece of shit. You don't believe in God. You don't listen. Go. Just do not call my fucking name.
Who you talking
I'm
about now, auntie
talking
Momo?
about Momo.
Me know something I say. Cause me know sometime me not say nothing, you know, cause me no want baddest thing, me know she not like me. But me no want that pop up back pan her.
Jesus
Me not
have
pay for that
mercy.
happen.
That's what I'm saying.
But
For her
guys,
to
get
go through
away,
something
get
like that
away.
and
You
out
never
here
think about it
behaving
one
like
day,
that,
like, get
eh?
away, girl. No? But me
That
wouldn't want it.
really, I'm sad for
Yeah,
you.
'cause she
And as
got
a
kids, you
grown
know?
woman, I don't know. Go. You
I want to
say you're
see.
moving high places or you this or you that. What the fuck is it doing for you? Look at your behavior. I ain't doing nothing to you. You couldn't just talk and go.
That was true,
You
though.
know,
I'm not even lying. That was
you couldn't
true.
just talk and go. What the fuck is wrong with you? And you talk about you and my daughter friend. Regardless of when me and my daughter, they think my daughter feel blood clot good for see you disrespect me. We don't know people. Yeah. You think my daughter feel good for see you a blood clot disrespect me? Eh? But at the end of the day, who you believe she go blame? Me. Cause you mix with dog, you must blood clot rise with flea.
Right, true. Right, true.
You understand? Maybe all of us are dogs, but at the end of the day, I strive to be a pedigree. You piece of shit. You are a mongrel, straight mongrel. Puss, you're a mongrel. Leave me alone. I don't see you. I've never even, Suzi. You know, I've never even peeked on that
I
thing live.
see you
Never.
can't
I
tell me
look at
nothing.
her.
You can't
You
tell me
guys are
nothing.
there. Huh?
You can't tell me nothing about the sin
You
thing. I saw she
understand?
see ya. I
You
saw she
guys
see
are
ya.
there. I want to see if our name come up. Me keep quiet. When you see me not see a dirty woman.
I saw she
Cause
see ya.
you're damaged goods. You're damaged goods. You got fucked by your own dad. And you never did you take some kind of therapy? Nothing.
Yo. Imagine her daddy was
So
sucking her titty. Oh my
yeah.
god.
Imagine
Oh,
remembering your father dick in your little pussy.
oh my fucking god.
You keep imagining that. Go speak to someone about it.
I think that's why she behavior,
Yeah, go
behavior is so
speak to
bad.
someone about it.
My God. Oh, fuck.
We all have problem in our family. At one stage, you and your sister them did out here bring down each other. You're damaged goods. Leave me alone.
Right. Go fix your damaged good post. Get away. No example. I saw she stay. When Diary go over there, she not say Diary. All of the friend done. She add on her look 2 cents and her 1 cent. Cause she just big and lay down pan the couch and pan the
Careless.
leftover dirty bed
Careless.
them and talk shit. She no work.
Idle.
She no do not know. Hey, me want to blood clot. No, this is ain't no one who come put me with that dirty woman there, you know, every day me get up 5 o'clock, go to work, you know. So look at dirty woman, oh, she dirty. You know what she do? Live. If I put it there and say, she no do nothing for her life. When she dead, them are gonna just burn the body and just throw the ashes somewhere. Dirty woman, me ain't no same thing, dirty post. Post me are you different. Every day about Dolly, you know them a lie to you, girl.
You understand? Beg like she blind. Me see the woman, you know, me assure you, you know, and that's why I know so them people are out here, and when you see them in a comment and them a type of things and a disrespect you and them something there, and but anti-code and anti this, me see you are me I'll tell you what me see she do. Yeah.
She coming
You
back, she coming back, mama, she coming back.
I just me said human I want low life. It's a toughie, she can't toughie out. Right? But you see when she realized that Toffee and a fool, she
Hey, no go away, man.
you know,
No go away. No go away.
she don't take part in that.
No,
When me
no, 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 like to me
them
one of
style,
the who
to
up
them
there.
style, to them style when me see, me can't take part of that. Me
Auntie,
say if
me
I never
can't do it
social media,
neither.
me would know say people live so. Me hear them all like that girl that talk about town people this and town people that. We not live certain way. If anything, we war and fight and we done.
And we done it. Yeah, we done it. We done it. We
When country
done
people
it.
have anything appear, we be them work on them one another. Cause no
Right, true.
Kingstonian are indulging in Wobia. Appear country people used to work Wobia.
That is true. Me a born blood clot. Born Kingstonian. I'm a proud to be blood clot
You
Kingstonian.
understand?
The Kingston 14 and owner like it. Come and bite it. Cause some say blood clot Jubilee Hospital me born. Yeah?
Okay, no Tara.
Right, this so. Me say this big stinking nasty woman. Yo, let me tell you something, auntie. Me, sometimes when them say one door close, the next one open, you see me? Sometimes you have to say, yo, trad it. When me look at me here, baga come talk about Suzi go over the same. You say, baga, you never hear me say me no want call her name with the blood clot you call me name through my black your pussy for. Pussy girl no call me name and some me say I'm a this year, I'm not afraid for this year again. No call me blood clot name. Come in and fuck with you. Love me if my black you and go on about my business. Leave me a blood clot, Lord. Stop push
I'll see
fire.
where dear she come up and I tell me, don't business with them cause every time you say anything, them turn on you. Me hear all she pass remarks about me, boy, you young boy, you have to stuck code. You know? But me look here, uno real different. So
Yeah,
then have
but
no self-respect. Uno no respect on yourself, so that's so it
remember she is so cocky in a park, you know, and a chop palling, you know. And a chop palling, you know. And pick me a pass and people a pass and baga candidate her end up get on the cocky so like a robot. She can't stop. And the people them say, what head like a robot so I go up and down so. Remember she had the body specialist, you know. And she tell me how to suck cocky, you know.
Mm.
And bagga teach me how to suck cocky, you know.
So what is it with me why she have a problem?
Me don't know why. Me don't know why. Cause she get cocky suck. She suck cocky from Monday to Tuesday. For remember her birth, she married the man, you know, and two you married.